Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Keap automations for missed leads and reminders, full guide step by step clearly. To set up Keap automations for missed leads and reminders, first, log into your Keap account. Navigate to the Automations tab in the main menu. Click on the Create a New Automation button. Select Start from Scratch to build a custom workflow. Give your automation a descriptive name to identify its purpose. Choose the trigger for your automation, such as lead submitted or contact created. Click on Add a Trigger and set the conditions based on your business needs. Next, configure the delay for your automation if necessary. To handle missed leads, create a follow-up sequence. Add an email action to this sequence to notify you or the sales team. Craft a personalized email template for reaching out to those missed leads. Set the timing for when this email should be sent after the trigger. To add reminders, return to your automation canvas and click Add an Action. Select Add Reminder and specify the reminder details. Input the lead's name, follow-up date, and time. Consider adding additional actions, such as tagging the contact for easy tracking. Ensure all actions are connected properly for a seamless workflow. Review the automation to check for any errors or adjustments needed. Once satisfied, click on Save and then activate the automation. Monitor the performance of your automation through Keap's reporting tools. Make adjustments as necessary to improve efficiency and effectiveness. Now your Keap automations for missed leads and reminders are fully set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.